Good morning. Say good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning. How is everybody today? What is today? Wednesday. Okay. If you notice behind me, I have some friends. There's Duckling. Look right here. I got the Pigeon. Okay, so we're going to do some more things with the Duckling and the Pigeon. Should we sing our good morning song?
Mm-hmm.
Come and join us on the screen, on the screen. Come and join us on the screen, on the screen. Sit down, crisscross, give your hands a clap. Eyes on your teacher and hands in your lap. Good job. Okay, should we do our little red box?
Uh-huh.
Okay, you want to hold it?
Okay, I'll hold it.
Okay, here we go. Our first friend is Riley. I wish I had a little red box to put my Riley in. I'd take her out and go and put her back again. Okay, so let's put Riley in. Who are we going to pull out now? Race. I wish I had a little red box to put my Race in. I'd take him out and go and put him back again. Who do we have next? Max. I wish I had a little red box to put my Max in. I'd take him out and go and put him back again. Who do I have starts with an L? Levi. I wish I had a little red box to put my Levi in. I'd take him out and go and put him back again. How about one more? Another L word. Landon. I wish I had a little red box to put my Landon in. I'd take him out and go and put him back again. All right, we'll do the rest tomorrow. Good job, sis. Thank you for your help. Let's do a cheer. Ooh, this is a brand new one. It's called the cheese grater. Okay, have you ever grated cheese like to make it shredded? So you have this thing. It kind of looks like this. I don't know if you can see it in the picture. See the metal thing? Okay, then the cheese comes out of it. So you have your grater. So your hand's going to be your grater. And then you're going to have your chunk of cheese. Okay, so go like this, sis. And you're going to go, your grate. Right?
Yeah,
Great. So here we go. Here's our cheese grater. Here's our chunk of cheese. And we're going to go, your great. Good. And then we're going to learn another new one, all my friends from my school. Remember this one? It's a parrot. Look at that little parrot. So you're going to get parrot wings like this. Everybody get your parrot wings out. And you're going to talk like a parrot. You're going to go, squawk, you did a good job. Squawk, you did a good job. That was so silly. Ready? Squawk, you did a good job. Squawk, you did a good job. All right, and one more. This is the kids' favorite too. The seal of approval. So you're going to take your arms and you're going to cross them. And then you're going to clap like this. Okay, so take your arms, cross, and clap. Like a seal. Is that so silly? Okay, here we go. Cross them and go like this. So cross like this and then clap. Like this. There, now clap your hands together. That's hard. All right. What should we do now? Oh, we have our song. You want to hold the tree? We have our forest friends. Remember our little forest friends? We have 5 forest friends. I'll put that extra one over there. And it goes like this. 5 forest animals scamper on the ground, playing, hiding, running all around. If one climbs up this forest tree, how many animals will that be? How many are in our tree? 1. You want to do the next one?
Yes.
Here you go. 4 forest animals scamper on the ground, playing, hiding, running all around. If one climbs up this forest tree, how How many do we still have on the ground? 3 forest animals scamper on the ground, playing, hiding, running all around. If one climbs up this forest tree, how many animals will that be? Oh, how many do we have?
1,
2,
2,
3. How many on the ground? 2 on the ground. 2 forest animals scamper on the ground, playing, hiding, running all around. If one climbs up this forest tree, how many animals will that be? 1, 2, 3, 4. Good job. How many are on the ground? 1 forest animal scampers on the ground, playing, hiding, running all around. If he climbs up that forest tree, how many animals will that be? Put him in the tree. Where's he going?
Up, right.
Oh my goodness, look how many. Count with me. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 forest animals. So cute. Thank you, Allie, for your help.
1 back on the ground.
1. Yep, we have an extra one on the ground, right? All right, I wanted to show you. I have something new over here. I have these cards that tell us the characters we're going to learn about this week. So we already learned about the pigeon. Today we're going to learn about the duckling, and then I have 2 more mystery ones we're going to learn next week. Okay, so you got to tune back. We'll still have a video tomorrow, but we're not going to learn the 2 new ones till next week. So the pigeon, the duckling. Some of you guys commented below with your pigeon pictures, and they were so good. I love it. I love it. I love it. All right, should we hide the Easter bunny, sis?
Yes,
All
behind
right.
the Easter bunny.
Here we go. She's going to hide our Easter bunny behind our sight words. Keep working on those sight words at home. Where are you going to put it? You can see the pigeon peeking up. Come on. Oh, that's a good one. Oh, it is a tricky one. Okay, ready? Here we go. Easter bunny, hopping all about. Easter bunny, please come out. All right, I'm going to guess down below. I'm going to guess me. Can you flip over me, Allie? Me. Right here. M-E. M-E. Me. Is it behind me? No. How about the? Oh! That was fast. You want to do it again?
Yeah.
Okay.
I know how to in the same place, okay, Mommy?
Okay.
You have to guess which one I hated it.
Okay, go ahead and hide it.
Okay.
Okay, go ahead.
Yes.
Okay. Make sure he's not peeking out. We don't want him to see him, right?
No.
He's not peeking. Okay, here we go. Easter bunny, hopping all about. Easter bunny, please come out. All right, we're going top row. We're going, what word is this, friends? R. Remember the R gets squeezed in the middle and shouts out his letter. R. No Easter bunny there. How about no? No. No. Flip it over. This one right here. Oh, no Easter bunny under no. How about B? B. Oh, no. Let's keep going straight down. Me. No. How about all of them in this row? The. Oh my goodness. Let's go right in the middle. Oh, I think I see him peeking. Is he peeking right there? Is he peeking? Oh.
The Easter bunny. He comes back.
He was behind he. He. Good job. All right, you sit there and flip the rest over, okay?
Okay, let's do it again, Mommy.
Well, we can do it again maybe tomorrow, okay? We're only going to do it twice because we have a lot of things to get through today. Okay. Go ahead and get out your piece of paper with your writing because we're going to write the rest of our CVC words, okay? So Monday we did 3 words. Yesterday we did 3 words. You guys are doing so good that today we're going to do 4 words, okay? 4 words. So your words today, oh my goodness, I got to clear. Your words today are zip, okay? So z, I, p. Okay, I'm going to switch it over here. Hold on, guys. See if this is going to be less of a glare. Hold on. Rotate around here. Is that any better, maybe? Yeah, I think that's working a little bit better. Okay, so we have 7, 8, 9, and 10, and this is all of them. Tomorrow we'll do something different with math for our work, okay? So this is what you need to have Mom and Dad take a picture of and send to me or email to me. So we have 4 words today, so you can number them, 7, 8, 9, and 10, okay? So your first word is zip. Remember, they're all going to have 3 letters. They're all going to have a vowel in the middle, okay? So we have zip, we have log, we have bed, and we have cat, okay? So all 3 words, or all 4 words are going to have 3 letters with a vowel in the middle, okay? So I'll give you a little bit of time to work on that. Remember, if you want to pause and come back, you can do that. And then what I'll do is I will write the words, and you can check your work with my work, okay? So go ahead and write your words. I'll give you a little bit of time. Okay. If you need more time, you can go ahead and pause. Okay, I'm going to kind of move on so I don't run out of time today. So we have zip. We hear zzz. Okay, our last letter of the alphabet. And then our vowel is I, z, I. And then we're going to punch out. We're going to go zip, p, p, a little explosion. Okay, so 3 words. We can chin tap it. Z, I, p, zip. Okay. And we have a log, O-L. We have O. And punch it out, log, G, G. Okay. So we can chop this one, O-A-G, log. Okay. Next one we have bed, B. Remember, B has a belly. We have E, and then we punch it out. Bed, D. Okay? So this is an example of a word that has a B and a D. So B has a belly, D has a diaper. Okay? Next one, most of you probably know how to write this word without sounding out, but we'll sound it out. Cat. K. C. A. And then we punch it out. Cat, T. We can do this one in a roller coaster. We can go k, a, t, cat, and slide it down. Okay? So here are your 4 words that you need to send me a picture of. Zip, log, bed, and cat. Okay? 4 words. They each have 3 letters. They have a vowel in the middle. Consonant, 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 consonant. That's how we get CVC words. Okay? All right, good job. So that's what you're going to send to me. We're going to do our number of the day behind me. There it is. Our number today is 20. This is our last number that we're going to do on this chart. And then we'll go back to 1. Okay, I can't really remember what we started with, but I don't think we started with 1. So 20, we hear t, wa, n, t, e. And Y says the E sound sometimes, okay? 20. If I add a dot to my 10 frame, it fills it up. So 2 10 frames that look like this. Okay, so one's full, the other one's full. So 10, 20. 20 dots. Okay, compare numbers. I don't have Blaine helping me today. Nobody wanted to help me, except Allie, but I lost her already. I have 10, I have 12, and I have 14. So if I count by twos, 10, 12, 14, right? Which number is the most out of these three? What do you think? 14. So I'm going to circle my 14. Which number is the least? So the smallest. 10, right? So I'm going to underline 10. So 14 is the most, 10 is the least. When I think about adding and subtracting, it has to equal 20. So I could do my easy 10 frames, 10 plus 10. Okay, I could do 20 plus 0, right? If I add nothing to it, it's still the first number. Okay, I could do 10 more than 20. I could say 30 minus 10 equals 20. It's kind of a hard, tricky subtraction one. Okay, so here's my problems. 10 plus 10 equals 20. 20 plus 0 equals 20. And 30 minus 2, that's not right. 30 minus 10. Sorry. 30 minus 10 equals 20. There we go. All right. Number order. I have a number here. I have a number here. My number before is going to be what? 19. Okay. And my number after, it gets a little bit trickier. 19, 20, 21. 21, a 2 and a 1. Okay, so there's my before and after. All right. There we go. Let's do our 3D shapes. We haven't done those for a while. We don't want to forget about those, right? So I have 4 3D shapes. I have a green one. My green one is a cone, right? Okay, it has one point at the top. It has one flat side. If we trace it, it makes a circle. If we trace it on its side, it makes a triangle, okay? This one is a cube, just like a dice we roll in our math games, okay? It has 6 faces or 6 sides, okay? We can stack it up, we can slide it, but we can't roll it, okay? I know you roll a dice, okay? But it doesn't really roll like our sphere rolls, okay? So this is our sphere. No flat sides, no corners, no vertices, okay? Round all the way around. You can take it between your hands and roll it. You cannot stack it on top of each other, okay? And you can't slide it, because if you slide it, it's just going to roll. So you can only roll it. And then we have our what? Cylinder, right? Like a soup can, like a pop can. It's got 2 flat sides, okay? Round in the middle, goes all the way around. If you would put it on paper and trace it, what shape would it be? A circle, right? If you put it on its sides and trace it, it would be kind of like a rectangle, right? Okay? So we can stack it, we can slide it, and we can roll it. So this is the only 3D shape that does all 3 of those things. Okay? All right. We're going to do our song of the week, or song of the day, I guess. Fancy Mermaids. We did this one yesterday. We're going to do it again today, but we're not going to circle it. We're just going to sing it. Then tomorrow we'll do a new song. I kind of like doing a song like 2 days in a row. Then we'll switch it up. Okay? So here we go. Fancy Mermaids. Fancy mermaids from the sea, from the sea. I had to invite you to come for tea with me. Fancy mermaids from the sea, from the sea. We had ocean dumplings and salty seaweed crumpets. Yum, yummy, yum, yummy. Does that sound yummy? Not really. All right. So tomorrow we'll start a new song. All right. We're going to get into our book. So today's book is another Pigeon book. It's by Mo Willems. But there's the duckling again, right? Okay? So the first book we read, Don't Let the Pigeon Drive the Bus. It was only the pigeon and the bus driver. Yesterday's book, The Pigeon Finds a Hot Dog. Whoops, remember this one? The Pigeon Finds a Hot Dog. We got introduced to the duckling, okay? And this is the second book that the duckling is in. It's called The Duckling Gets a Cookie. And it kind of has a question mark, like the duckling gets a cookie? And the pigeon's saying it. See his speech bubble? He's like, what? Okay? So another crazy story. Let's see what happens in this one. Ooh, look at all those cookies. Remember the hot dog book had all the hot dogs? This has all the cookies. He says, I do not like the look of that title. The duckling gets a cookie. And then here we see the duckling. And after our story, I'm going to teach you guys how to draw the duckling. Okay? So be kind of watching for what the duckling looks like. Scooty, scoot, scoot. Hello. May I have a cookie, please? Look how cute he is. Oh, thanks. That was very nice of you. Oh, look at all those nuts. You think he likes nuts in his cookies? I don't really like nuts in my cookies. Here comes the pigeon. Hey, how did you get that cookie? I asked for it. He's crossing his arms. You asked for it? Politely. Say, does that cookie have nuts? Yes. Do you think the pigeon likes nuts? So, you got a cookie with nuts just by asking? Politely. I ask for things all the time. Do you think he asked politely, though? I asked to drive the bus. I ask for hot dog parties. Do I ask for candy? I do. It doesn't have to be a big bus, you know. I'll ask for a French fry robot every now and then. Right now, I'm asking why. I've asked for a walrus. Why? Why? Oh, there's more. Sometimes I ask for a hug, so I'll ask for one more story. I can't count the times I've asked for my own personal iceberg. I asked to stay up late. Oh yeah, I'm the askingest pigeon in town. But do I get what I ask for? Oh, look at that tear. No! Oh, there he goes, losing his mind. Look at the duckling. He flipped himself over because he was so scared. It's not fair. Flappy flip flap flap. Duckling gets everything. Oh, he's so sad. Pigeons like cookies too, especially with nuts. Why did you get that cookie? Why do you think the duckling got it? So I could give it to you. And another thing. How about what? You're giving me that cookie? With the nuts. That is so nice. Thank you. Thank you very much. That is one cool duckling. Yes, sir. Bye. So nice. May I have another cookie, please? But this time, no nuts. And there's the cookies again. So he really probably gave the pigeon the cookie because he didn't like the nuts. But also, is the duckling more polite or is the pigeon more polite? What do you think? Probably the duckling, right? He was saying please. Okay, he uses his nice words. What we're going to do, before we draw the duckling, we're going to think of words that we can stick on the pigeon. Here's my little pigeon, okay, that describes the pigeon. So we've read 3 books now about the pigeon. What is a word we could use to describe the pigeon? I think he's funny. You think that would be a good word to describe the pigeon? He makes me laugh. Funny. So I'm going to stick funny on the pigeon. He's funny. He's kind of crazy, right? When he loses his mind. Crazy. That's another describing word. These are all adjectives, which means describing the pigeon. What else could we say? Funny, crazy. He's smart because he has all these ideas and he comes up with all these excuses, right? He had all kinds of reasons why he wanted to drive the bus, right? So he's smart. He's pretty cute with his little long neck and his big eye and his beak. I'm going to say cute. And I'm going to stop there. And if you can come up with some more words to describe the pigeon, we'll add those tomorrow. Okay, because I want to have you guys maybe come up with some words. So far we have funny, smart, crazy, and cute. And then we'll add some more adjectives to our pigeon. Okay? All right, you guys ready to learn how to draw the duckling now since you did so good with the pigeon? Okay, I got a new piece of paper. Here's the duckling. He's very similar to the pigeon with like the big eye and the big head. Okay? Let me find my cheat sheet here. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do, just like with the pigeon, you're going to start with the circle. So make sure you have your piece of paper so you can draw the duckling with me. So we're going to start with a circle. Okay? His eye, this is actually his eye. His eye is like so big, it takes up like a lot of his head. And then it kind of has this in part. And I think it's kind of, this part's colored in. Okay, so go ahead and color this part in. Maybe I drew it too big. Got a lot to color in, don't I? I'll do it kind of quickly. You guys can take maybe some more time than I'm taking. Hope I don't run out of my marker. Okay, so I'll come back and color that in nicer, but I just want to give you the idea. Then his head's going to go around that. So you have kind of his neck, and then his head goes all the way back around. So this is his eye. See how much of his eye that it takes up of his head? Okay, so it's so big. So there's his head. Then you're going to kind of draw like you did with the pigeon, his body. So you're going to kind of go around, and then the tail, and then back to his neck. See that? So you have the head, you go around for his body. If I'm going too fast, you can pause it. What do we need now? We need his wings, right? And if you look at the book, sometimes he has a wing going like this. This wing is holding this cookie. This one, he's got both wings out, right? That's kind of cute. What's another one? This one, he's kind of flying, so he's got both wings up. I'm going to do one in and one up, okay? So I'm going to do one kind of like this, and I'm just going to kind of draw some lines there. And then I'm going to draw the other one like it's up, okay? So he's kind of going up, and he's kind of going out, right? Okay? What else do we need? Oh, we need his little beak. And his little beak is so cute. Look how little it is, right? Okay, it's kind of like 2 little hot dogs. If you can kind of see this page, right? Okay, so I'm going to kind of try to draw his little beak here. I'm going to draw kind of like a hot dog like this, and then kind of another hot dog coming out like that. How's that look? That's pretty cute, right? Okay, so eyeball, head, we went around and did his body. We added his wings. I have one up, one down. You can kind of do however you want to do your wings. And we have his beak. What else do we need? Oh, we need his legs, right? So I'm going to start with my 2 lines going down. And then I'm going to just do his legs are kind of like little circles, right? You kind of see like little ovals or little circles for his feet. So I'm just going to kind of do little ovals. You have one going like this, and one going like this. You can kind of do his feet however you want, okay? And I kind of made him so big I don't have room for a speech bubble. But I'm going to kind of fit one right here. I'm going to say, can I have a cookie? Okay, if you think about yesterday's book, is that a hot dog? What do they taste like? Okay, I'm a curious bird. Okay, you could have him say anything. Can I have a cookie? And he says one more word. What does he say? Please, right? He's so sweet. Okay, can I have a cookie, please? Okay, so there's my speech bubble. I know it's kind of hard to see. Can I have a cookie, please? I kind of ran out of room. Hopefully you guys have more room on your paper, okay? So draw your ducky. Send me a picture of what he's saying. And then do your 4 sight words, or your 4 CBC words, okay? That's your job today. Ducky with his speech bubble, and then your 4 words, okay? Thumbs up. Thanks for watching, guys. Tomorrow we will write words to describe the ducky and add more words to our pigeon. So be thinking of words to describe the duckling. And we have another book to read. We're going to read this one. The Pigeon Wants a Puppy. We also have Don't Let the Pigeon Stay Up Late. And then we have The Pigeon Needs a Bath. So lots more pigeon books, okay? So thanks for watching, friends. Have a good rest of your day. I think it's supposed to be nice again today for a little bit maybe. So get outside if you didn't get your melting thing done or if you didn't get your shadows done. Your science activity today is to look in some of your books and find a picture of a sun. Allie has a book here, but I don't know if there's a sun in it. And see how the illustrator drew the sun, what color they drew it, and what you've learned about the sun. Okay? I don't have a picture in there. So, be doing all those fun activities. Also, get on Dreambox if you haven't. Check Flipgrid. I put a new one on there yesterday 2 days ago, about showing me your favorite dance moves. Okay? All right, friends. Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow. Bye.